Welcome to Yiwu. We're currently on the bus and it's about a 5-hour trip, so we have about 4 more hours until we get there. This is the view, but the weather's kind of bad. Yeah. So I'll see you guys when we get there. So we just stopped for a rest. So we're gonna go eat something. We're going to maybe use the bathroom. But yeah, this is the bus, NYU Shanghai. And we're stopped in the middle of nowhere, close to Yiwu. Guys, check this out. This is your average Chinese pit stop. This is nothing like the States. You got everything. Look at all this fruit. Oh yeah, she just weighed it. Now we're gonna use 支付宝 or Alipay to pay. 68块。好，你扫我还是我扫你？ So I just asked to scan it, and there you go. It's literally the best. There's all of these choices for you. It's incredible. The 2 beds, the chilling space with like the tea, and then we got a TV and hangers, and the bathroom is super nice as well. Look at all of that. We have to be back downstairs in like an hour to go to the place where all of the small things are that we can take a look at, take pictures and whatnot. So stay tuned for that. This is the Yiwu International Market. We have made it. Look at this, guys. Super cool. We're excited. We're walking inside. There was a little argument with the driver and the chaperone, but that's okay. Part of the process. Matt and I want to look for at Yiwu is our oil diffusers. So we want to find this like frosted glass material, see how much they sell for, what's the minimum quantity, all that good stuff. So right now, Matt and I are having some trouble finding the right location for what we want. So we're gonna take a Didi to a different section, and we're looking at the map now. You can see we need to be so we need to be at the material market. So we're walking to the 24th gate. That's where all materials are. So we're gonna cross the street. It's a bit hectic, a lot of honking. So we made it to where we need to be. So we just looked for some lights to see if maybe they have like glass products, but it turns out that they don't, and the place we were at before had all of the things. We just didn't look at the 3rd or 4th floor. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. Today we lost some, but that's okay. We're going back to where we originally were, but we've been traveling for so long. It's got us like this. We're thirsty, so we're gonna go to these convenience store right here, get a bottle of water. It's a cute little nook. So we just got our drink, and we're gonna take these bikes. 大家你看，现在是晚高峰。Welcome to Yiwu. We are back at the Yiwu International Trade Market. We just got the business cards of 3 places. They were like closing up, but we managed to get them. We're about to be in a crazy storm, so we're gonna go inside, find some dinner to eat. We escaped right before the storm. All of these places that we can eat. 我没想到这个城市很国际，有很多跨国的音响。
It's so fancy here.
Very fancy. 很高级。
高级 how to say English?
高级 like like high level. High end. 对。We're at an Egyptian Turkish restaurant, and they have all of these traditional desserts like the pistachio baklava, or in Chinese 开心果 balawa. And yeah, it looks so cool. Look at this.
They even have chocolate pizza.
They have chocolate pizza? Oh my gosh.
鸡蛋，只有鸡蛋，鸡蛋芝士，哦，可以。然后呢，一壶红茶。对。是无酒精还是有酒的？没有酒的。哦，对。啊，反正点这。好，可以吗？好，谢谢。
Look at this. And this is just the beginning. Not all our food came yet. We made it to the night market. Check this out. So lively. We're gonna go explore. Maybe try some street food. We don't know yet. Oh my gosh. All fragrances that are cloned, but they smell not bad. 我觉得都是破烂的东西。10元一双，对对，10 yuan you can give one of these. So that's $1.20 in USD. It's crazy.
I want to live here.
Matt wants to live here.
Shanghai is my ex-city.
So we just finished looking at the night market. It was really cool. And now we're looking maybe to get some milk tea. A lot of these stores are lit up. Guys, so we just made it to the International Trade Market where we were yesterday. The weather's not great, as you can see, we're carrying umbrellas, but that's all good because the trade market is indoors, thankfully. So the plan is, I'm a boss, he's the translator. I have 20,000 followers on TikTok, and we just started an oil diffuser or candle, we haven't decided yet, company called Numa. So we just had our first interaction with this store right behind me. They had frosted glass that we were looking for. So we asked the MOQ, the minimum order quantity, and she said if we want the same design, the same style of the frosted glass, it would be 240. But she also offered us a set which included 24 pieces, but they were all different styles. For a brand, we wanted to do something more consistent, so I think the minimum order would be 240 in our case. We stumbled into a total Christmas section. It's Christmas year-round in Yiwu. Look at all these cool waterfalls, guys. There's the desk waterfalls. I'm gonna show you the business cards of the places that we saw had the most potential. So first, this one was our favorite store, Huangcheng, when it comes to providing the oil diffuser, liquid, to the sticks, to the packaging, and the MOQ was quite low, which is good, was what we want. This one was good for timely, like 发货时间比较短. We found them to have very good quality sticks. As far as KF's Crafts goes, we weren't too impressed with them, but it was really the only place with the frosted kind of glass we were looking for.